Good evening. If you look at any competitive examinations, out of many questions, few questions are from certain organizations, certain commissions that are existing in the country, and those commissions may be mentioned in the constitution or those commissions may be statutory authorities. But whenever any commission is there in the news, it is our responsibility to know more about that commission or institution and prepare accordingly for the examination with the latest updates. And one such important commission is National Commission for Minorities, NCM. In fact, if you look at the National Commission for Minorities, it is a statutory authority established in the year 1993. In fact, it was the law that is related to this was passed in the year 1992 and the institution was established in the year 1993. But what exactly is the purpose here? The name itself is indicating this is the National Commission for Minorities. What do you mean by minorities? The minorities is not defined in the constitution. That is the reason why, in order to protect the interests of the minorities, the act has come into the picture. And this act originally, meaning in the year 1992, it recognized 5 religious groups as minorities. How many? 5, but currently you have 6. So please remember, so when the act came into the picture, how many groups were recognized under this particular act? And the answer is 5 religious groups. How many now? Answer is 6. And what are they is important for the examination. Clear? Number 1, Muslims, Christians, Zoroastrians, Sikhs and Buddhists. I repeat, Muslims, Christians, Zoroastrians, Sikhs and Buddhists. These are the 5 communities, 5 religious groups that were, this defined under this particular act. But in the year 2014, one more religious group has been added, and that is Jains. So 6 religious groups have been, this identified as minorities under this particular group. So obviously, under this particular act, whatever the group that is identified as a minority will be protected and safeguarded by, this particular law. So accordingly, National Commission for Minorities was established. And since then, this particular commission is working for the, safeguards of the minorities. Am I clear? And in this particular commission, you have a chairperson, vice chairperson, and five other members. And kindly remember, all of them belong to minorities only. Clear? Very, very, very important one. And very recently, a meeting was also held. And what happened? What decisions have been taken? All these things we are going to look into this now. Look at this. So this is National Commission for Minorities. Act was National Commission for Minorities Act of 1992, and this is founded in the year 1993. Initially, 5 religious communities, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists and Zoroastrians, they were notified as minority communities. In 2014, Jains were also notified as minority community. And if you look at, this all the 6 groups, this is the information of 2001. As per 2001, these 6 communities consist of 18.8% of the country's population. We know that in India, majority is Hindus. Clear? In minorities, all these groups put together, you have 18.8% as per 2001 census. Now, this commission has got a chairperson and a vice chairperson and 5 other members. and all the members are nominated by the government. And who are these? These are the people. These are the people of eminence, ability, and integrity. It provided that five members, including the chairperson, shall be from amongst the minority communities, not anybody from outside. Clear? And the union government constituted National Commission for Minorities in Delhi, and state governments also constituted similar type of commissions at the respective state capitals. What is the purpose? To safeguard and protect the interests of minorities in accordance with the constitution, and also the laws that are enacted by the parliament and respective state legislatures. Any person who is aggrieved, and if that person belongs to any of the minority communities, may approach the state minorities commission for redressal. Later the person can also approach the national commission for minorities. Very, very, very important point, so please remember this one. And this particular meeting was held on February 23rd, 2022. Clear? And currently the chairperson is Miss Syed Shehzadi. Please remember the name, Miss Syed Shehzadi is the chairperson of National Commission for Women. Clear? Very, very important one. And the commission members from Buddhist, Jain, and Parsi communities also joined the meeting. And the commission has discussed various major issues related to the National Commission of Minorities as well as the welfare of the minorities. Clear? So many petitions have come up, 1850 petitions. Clear? And out of this, more than 1000 have been disposed of, meaning the commission is doing its best for the protection of the interests of the minorities. My dear friends, you must remember each and every point for the examination. Clear? So what is this National Commission for Minorities? What is the related act? When it was passed? What is the composition and who appoints them? And what is the purpose of this this commission? All these are important for the examination. That is the reason why when you are reading the newspaper, sometimes you will see some aggrieved people, they approach the state minorities commission, or they will approach the NCM, right, for the redressal of their grievances, right? And that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.